Hello, Alexander. This is Mrs. Jones. I decided to make a quick video for you so you can have access to the online textbook. I did send a textbook down to the counselor's office to Miss O'Brien with the hopes that she would get to your TLF room and get you the book. But have no fear, you can get online and have access to the online text. All right, so currently I am in Nashville, Tennessee. I had a bit of a family emergency, and so I'll be here until Saturday if the weather holds out, because right now we are in the middle of a winter weather storm. But anyway, I will be uploading assignments, and when I return to Italy, I'll be roaming for 14 days. So I may not be in the classroom upon your arrival. But anyway, I want to make this transition as smooth as possible for you. So what I've done is I've opened up my Google opened up a tab under Google, and I'm going to type in Schoology. .dodea.edu. It's important that you type all of that in order to access Dodea's Department of Defense educational homepage. And once there, you'll see these 4 boxes. You should have access to the McGraw-Hill books. I, on the other hand, also teach 8th grade, so I also have an extra book. So click on the McGraw-Hill textbooks. Your view may be just a tad bit different from mine, but you'll want to make sure that you access the AP Honors and Electives textbooks. The book is going to be called Encounters, or Traditions and Encounters, which you'll see here. You will go ahead and launch the textbook, and then you will also gain access to the ebook, and voila, here you are. Now, I'm going to navigate back to my last location, which is the current chapter that we are working on, chapter 30. But here you'll be able to click on the table of contents, capture chapter 30, and begin reading. So here it is. Now, I'm going to create another video for the class that will kind of go over what we're going to be doing this week while I'm gone. The students right now are testing, so don't you worry about Unit 5 in testing. They'll be testing both Tuesday and also Thursday. But don't you worry about the testing. You'll see a link that'll say in Google Classroom that will say homework February 16th through the 19th. And that is what you'll need to concern yourself with. But anyway, I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.